Hello students, in maths, second chapter name is Wheel of Time. Let us study about time. You already know that 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. 1 minute is equal to 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. What is seconds? Can you see here small lines? We can find seconds by counting these small lines. Okay. 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. 1 day is equal to, can you see how much hours? 1 day is equal to 24 hours. First you have to study this. Is it clear? 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. 1 day is equal to 24 hours. And we can find seconds by counting the small lines. Okay. Can you see what is the time now? Look at the picture here. Here, this hand, short hand. You can say this hand also known as hour hand. Next one here. This hand is also known as minute hand. Minute hand. Look at the next one. This is called second hand. Okay, seconds hand. You can see 3 hands in your clock. This hand is also known as hour hand. This minute hand and this one seconds hand. Is it clear? Okay, can you say what is the time now? Here, you can see hour hand in 12, right? So, we can say 12 hour and minute hand in 3. How can we write that? When minute hand reach here, it's 5 minutes. Okay. Minute hand 12 നിന്ന് 1ലേക്ക് എത്തുമ്പോൾ 5 മിനിറ്റ് ആവുന്നുണ്ട്. 12 നിന്ന് 2ലേക്ക് എത്തുമ്പോൾ 10 മിനിറ്റ് ആവുന്നുണ്ട്. 12 നിന്ന് 3ലേക്ക് എത്തുമ്പോഴോ what is the time? 15 minutes. Okay. When it reach here, time is 15 minutes. So here you can see minute hand in 3, right? So what is the time? 15 minutes. 12 hour, 15 minutes. And can you say seconds? Count the small lines here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So what is the, how can we say that in seconds? Second hand, 12 hours, 15 minutes and 10 seconds. We can count that small lines. 10 seconds. Is it clear? Let us see another example. Look at the picture here. Hour hand in 3. So, what is the time? 3 hours and minute hand in 6, right? So, how can we say that? Here 5 minutes. When it reach here, 10 minutes. Here 15, 20, 25, 30. So, how can we say this? 3 hours, 30 minutes. And here 35, 40, 45. So 45 seconds. Is it clear? 3 hours, 30 minutes, 45 seconds. Is it clear now? Let us see another time. Can you say what is the time? Here, hour hand in 12. So 12 hour. Minute hand in 1. So 5 minutes. 12 hour, 5 minutes. And we already know that it's 15 seconds. 5, 10, 15, no? It's 15. So 15 seconds. Is it clear? Like this, you can learn the time. Now you have to complete the work given in textbook, page number 27. Let us see how can we write the seconds in minutes. Seconds in minutes like engane ezhudunnu nokam. 95 seconds. You already know that 60 seconds is equal to 1 minute. 60 seconds ennu parnal 1 minute aanu. Here you can see 95 seconds. So how can we write this in minutes? 60 seconds in നമ്മൾ 1 minute ആക്കി ചെയ്യാം. ഇനി എത്രയാണ് ബാക്കിയാവുന്നത്? 35 റൈറ്റ്. 60 നമ്മൾ 1 minute എഴുതി. നെക്സ്റ്റ് 35 seconds. You can write like this in minutes. Look at the next one. 100 seconds. 60 minutes we can write like 1 minute. And remaining 40 seconds we can write here 1 minute 40 seconds. Is it clear? Look at the next one. 110 seconds. How can we write this? 1 minute and remaining 50 seconds. 50 seconds. Is it clear? Let us see how can we write the minutes in seconds. Look at this. Minutes ne enganeyanu seconds like aakittu ezhudunnu. 2 minutes nu parnal 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. So here 2 minutes is there. So how can we write this? 120 second. 120 plus 5. What is the answer? 125 seconds. We can write like this. Look at the next one. 1 minute. 1 minute means 60 seconds plus 45. 60 plus 45. 105 seconds. You can see here only 2 minutes. So how can we write this? 120 seconds. 1 minute എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ 60 സെക്കൻഡ് ആണ്. അപ്പോൾ 2 മിനിറ്റ് എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാലോ 60 2 പ്രാവശ്യം 2 times 120 seconds. Is it clear? Can you identify the least time here? ഇതിൽ ചെറിയ ടൈം ഏതാണ്? You can see here 2 minutes. ഇതെല്ലാം 2 minutes ആണ്. ഇതെല്ലാം 2 minutes. Only 1 minute 45 seconds is there. So what is the least time here? This is the least time. Which is the most time? 5 1 3 6 5 1 3 8 6 is there. So which is the big number here? You can see 8 here. So what is the most time? 2 minutes 8 seconds. Is it clear? How can we write this in ascending order? Which number comes first? When we are writing ascending number, small number we have to write first. ഇതിൽ ഏതാണ് ചെറിയ നമ്പർ? ചെറിയ ടൈം നമ്മൾ ഓൾറെഡി പഠിച്ചു കഴിഞ്ഞു. 1 minute 45 seconds. This time we have to write first. Next, second one is there. One after one you can see here 3 seconds. 2 minutes 3 seconds is third. Next 5 is there. We can write fourth. Next 6 we can write fifth and 2 minutes 8 seconds, we can write 6th. Like this we can write in ascending order. Is it clear? How can we write this in seconds? 2 minutes 5 seconds. How can we write this in seconds? We already know that 2 minutes means 120 seconds. So 120 plus 5 is 125 seconds. Here 120 plus 1, 121 seconds. Look at the next one. 2 minutes 3 seconds. 123 seconds. 2 minutes 8 seconds. 128 seconds. Look at the next one. 1 minute 49 seconds. 60 plus 49. 60 plus 49. So 109 seconds. Next one. 126 seconds. 60 plus 60, 120 here. 2 minutes means 120 seconds. 120 plus 6, 126 seconds. Is it clear? Can you say what is 15 hour? 15 hour. You can see some numbers in clock. After 12, 1 after 12, 1 o'clock we can write 13 hour. 1 p.m. 2 o'clock we can write 14 hour. 3 o'clock we can write 15 hour. Morning 12 to 11:59. Look at this time. രാവിലെ 12 മണി മുതൽ 11:59 വരെയുള്ള ടൈം. അതിനെ നമ്മൾ എന്താണ് പറയുന്നത്? AM. We can say that AM. Morning 12 to 11:59 is AM. Afternoon 12 to midnight 11:59 we can say PM. Is it clear? ഉച്ച കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ട് 12 മുതൽ 11:59 വരെ, രാത്രി 11:59 വരെ PM എന്നാണ് പറയുന്നത്. Is it clear? First one, morning 12 to 11:59 we can say AM. Afternoon 12 to midnight 11:59 we can say PM. Is it clear? ഉച്ച കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ടുള്ള ടൈമിനെയാണ് നമ്മൾ പറയുന്നത് 13 hour. 1 PM. ഉച്ച കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ടുള്ള ടൈം 1 PM നെ നമ്മൾ 13 hour എന്ന് പറയാം. അതേപോലെ 2 PM we can say 14 hour. 3 PM we can say 15 hour. ഉച്ച കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ടുള്ള ടൈമിനെയാണ് നമ്മൾ പറയുന്നത് PM or 13 hour. 1 PM or 13 hour. 2 PM or 14 hour. 3 PM or 15 hour. 4 PM or 16 hour. Like that. Okay. Can you say which is AM and PM here? 14:55. You can see here 14. 14 means it's PM. After 12, you can see here 14 comes after 12. 12 കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ടാണ് 14 വരുന്നത്. അപ്പോൾ 12നേക്കാൾ മുമ്പുള്ള നമ്പേഴ്സ് അങ്ങനെ തന്നിട്ടുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ നമ്മൾ AM എന്ന് എഴുതണം. 12 കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ടുള്ള നമ്പേഴ്സ് ആണെങ്കിൽ ലൈക്ക് 14:55 ഇത് PM. നെക്സ്റ്റ് 16 again after 12. 12 കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ടുള്ള നമ്പർ ആണ്. 16 hour is equal to PM. 16 hour എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ 4 മണി. Evening 4 PM. Okay. So we can write this PM. Look at the next one. 11:15. 11:15 എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ 12നേക്കാൾ മുമ്പ്. അപ്പോൾ രാവിലെ ആയിട്ടുണ്ടാവും. It is AM. Look at the next one. 5. ഇവിടെ 5 മാത്രം തന്നിട്ടുള്ളത്. അപ്പോൾ എന്താണ്? മോർണിംഗ് 5 AM. Is it clear? Okay students, more question and answer let us discuss in next class. Thank you.